In this episode of Living with the Land, we're in Northwest Florida doing a little bit of land-based shark fishing for blacktips. Sharks are often regarded as trash fish by many anglers. But although it's a little more work to process, the firm white flesh of a blacktip shark is as good as it gets. And unlike many of the sought-after species in Florida, you don't need expensive boats or high-end gear to catch them. See the bird and the bait? Birds in the bait down there? Let's see if we can catch them with the bait for shark bait. A canoe or kayak works great for paddling out the shark lines. But first, you've got to catch bait. Luckily, the bonita and hardtails are thick today.
Oh, Dad got one. There. Come on.
Shark bait.
This is a really big one.
I get to do whatever I want. These are moving!
Yes. It'll get you. Go ahead, come look, he said.
They're moving.
That's so pretty.
Don't let him in the water, Finn. Keep him away from the water.
That's really, really
I made
pretty.
him swallow the thing.
A canoe also comes in handy for hauling your gear down the beach and away from other anglers.
Woo, buddy, bring that, drag it up here.
Big one.
Get it. Oh, that's something different.
Whoa! Woo!
It's like it's doing what that shark did last night.
I want to see what it is. I want to see.
With plenty of bait and a setting sun, it's time to paddle out some baits. Because when the sun goes down, the shark bite picks up.
Okay.
When I drop that bait, you can flip that lever.
Okay.
Oh, my foot's covered.
Sharks are more active at night, and the beaches are deserted, save for a few hardcore fishermen.
Stay back,
That
Finn.
bird's probably gonna get like bloody.
Yeah, because the shark.
There he is right there.
What?
Where?
He's right there.
Where?
Stay back, boys.
What is it?
Yep.
The shark. Stay back.
Whoa! It's a shark. Baby shark.
Oh, it's a shark.
Stay back.
Whoa!
It is a shark.
I didn't know we were gonna catch sharks today.
Stay back. Stay back, boy.
It's trying to go to that bird. Oh, holy cow!
Stay back.
That got me wet. I'm going. Hey, I'm going. I'm gonna do
What kind
it.
of shark's that, Dad?
Whoa.
It looks like a sand tiger. Wait, no. A bull. No, I don't know. Bull shark.
Do not put your hand down there.
He'll bite your hand off.
And something right there.
It'll stick to you. You gotta wet yourself a little bit. Is he sticking on yet?
Yeah. What's he doing? I got a shark badge.
Shark badge.
There's still a hook.
With one shark on the beach, it's not long before
Wait,
the second rod goes off.
And the boat's all the way up there. Line's all the way
Turn that
up
line. It started pulling right as the boat hit.
The boat's right there. The line's going that way.
there.
Watch out, let Dad.
I'm not doing it.
I'm not doing it.
Huh?
Yeah, lose it.
I think to hold the.
I get it. Watch out, Dennis.
What is it? There might be a stingray or something.
Because I can't even see it.
Boy, stay back.
Walk down to the beach and reel as you go.
Oh, it's a shark. What is that? No.
God.
Oh, maybe it is a stingray.
What?
It's right there.
Yep. It's a
Oh,
shark.
it's a shark.
It's a shark.
Boy, stay back. Another shark. Tonight. Oh, it's gonna pull me in.
Get him back up to the shore. That's a good one.
What is that, Dad?
Boy, don't baby, watch out. Boy, babe. Boy.
That's a shark.
Burning my finger.
Ow. Ow.
Nice.
Oh my God, what is that?
The blacktip.
What is that stuff right there?
About a 40 pounder or so. That's a good one.
What is that? That's the stuff that he's eating. Mom, what is that stuff right there? That's a bigger shark than we caught last time.
It is a bigger one.
And what is that stuff right there?
What do you think about that? That's a bait. Where are you going, Finn?
Boy, let's bring the light over here, buddy. The boat was dragging it out.
Wow! Sand all over me.
skin.
Yeah, my goodness. Oh, it's gonna get you. Put it in the water.
Bye-bye.
The string is all tangled up from the camera.
That crab was gonna get you.
Yeah. It looks like it.
Holy cow.
Oh my God!
Go away, here. Go away. Here, Dad, come get it.
That's big! Finn!
All right.
Here, I'll video.
That's a really big.
You wanna give him a try?
Ooh.
Let him run first.
Do you have this zoomed in?
Ow!
He's taking drag. That's a good one.
Don't let him take it
Okay.
all the way out.
Finn, here, you hold that. Hang on. He's gonna spool us if we don't.
You better do something.
That's a big shark right there.
That's probably as big as a car.
Can you get it so he doesn't take all the line out?
I don't know, he might spool us.
Can you hold your finger down?
Whoa.
Oh, come on, you gotta be able to reel that in, babe.
He is going.
You can't put your finger on it?
That's dogged off right there. Hey, back up just a wee bit. He might be spent.
Oh,
All right, good deal.
start reeling so we can get him in.
Finally!
You gonna help? Go ahead, you can help Dad?
That's a big in there.
Damn blocking the light. Hold the thumb.
Don't hold your finger on the line, buddy.
Whoops.
What's wrong? It's okay.
What? Take your thumb off.
This is a big one.
Yeah, that's a big one there.
Might not be able to reel them
Where's
in.
my light at?
Huh?
Where's my light at?
Here.
I got it.
I'm just trying to.
Probably
I'm
like
telling you, last minute again.
That's a good one.
If we can get them in, that's the thing, though.
and if we can get
How
them
much
cut
line
up,
do we have left?
We got a pretty good bit.
about
Reel.
Get him, Den. There you going again.
Gosh,
He's going again.
pull it all the way up.
this one's going to fight. Pin, that will burn your hand, baby, if he takes off again.
Let's let him tucker himself out a little bit. Looks like he might be headed toward the pass.
That's where mine headed to.
What pass? What's the pass?
Right here.
Pass out to the Gulf.
Where Mom was at. Well, where Mom's was headed.
Where's the Gulf?
The Gulf's that way.
That way?
That way.
Put it all the way on full.
Don't mess with it, he'll break off.
Why can't you put it all the way on full? How big was it?
Oh, there, sorry.
Mom, Dad, please saw it. Over there.
I think boys.
That pole's gonna break.
You wanna reel him up in then? Go for it.
I can't. Let me try.
There you go. Boy, get him.
There you go, buddy. Then you can probably try too if you're at the other side. We don't break our pole off because it's really bending.
We ain't gonna break the pole.
You don't think so? Let Finn have a turn. Finn's wanting to try, babe. I don't know if you can do it, buddy. Go hard. Oh, come on, Dad. Help him. Help him, Dad. Help him reel a shark in.
Let me try like that. Ow!
Oh, did I pinch your finger? I'm sorry, buddy. Gotta gain some ground when we can.
Why would you take that out of the pole and just like?
Why wouldn't I?
Why would you?
Because if he goes around the sandbar, we gotta chase him.
Where's the? It's headed. He's where he's headed, right there.
Wait.
Same way mine went.
He's like, what?
Bruh.
This huge shark is hard.
We might be having our Orion cooler filled full of shark.
All right, Den, you ready to chase him down a little bit?
Not.
No?
Hold on to that pole, babe, when you get up.
I don't want to.
It's okay, buddy. Here, hold my hand if you want to. Come on. Okay, stay right there then. Stay right there. You're okay, buddy.
Good one.
We ain't gonna let nothing happen to you. As soon as the shark comes close, y'all are getting back.
It's already pretty close.
I think it's probably a ways out there still.
Right there. It's right there.
I don't think so. Ben, just back up, baby. You just back up to the shore. You'll be fine. I'm just trying to get some video, bud.
Don't go in front of Dad. New rule. Don't go in front of Dad. Or you're probably gonna get ate and killed.
Ooh, that pole is.
There he comes.
Where? Dad.
Koi, don't go all the way. You see it, Koi?
Oh, he's going back.
I saw
No!
Ah!
Where is it?
We broke the line, buddy.
What broke the line?
We lost them.
You broke the
Too much
line?
pressure on him.
Although we all would have loved to have landed the big one, it's near misses like this that fuel the desire to return and the anticipation for the next
see him?
trip.
No, I ain't got a whole lot of line out though. He was probably only 50 yards off the beach. I think my knot freaking broke.
No.
Sure as shit.
How big was that?
I don't know how big it was, buddy.
Should've known better. Oh well.
Dang it.
It's almost better this way, knowing he's still out there. But next time, you'll
Come on,
bet I
buddy.
won't make the rookie mistake of dogging
Keep
off the
going.
drag when I should have been more patient.
What are you doing, Dad? Try not to fill your whole boat up. He can't swim because
I
his...
found the shark on Minecraft.
All right, y'all load the rest of the stuff up in the canoe so we can take off.
Okay. There's only one right
I
there.
don't know how to swim. I can just get lost.
All right, I'll see y'all up there.
Okay.
Do you
Keep
need
a light
them?
on so we find our way.
Okay.
Sharks have no bones, so filleting one is simply a matter of removing the halves from the spine and then removing the skin. Shark skin is very tough and coarse like sandpaper, so it's pretty tough on a knife. But it makes great rawhide that I use for making bows. At this point, the shark has a pretty strong ammonia smell, which probably accounts for why they're not sought after as table fare. But a little soak in a mild vinegar or lemon juice solution takes care of that. Blacktips have a very firm white flesh with a mild flavor, and it's more like the texture of a pork loin than fish, so it's excellent for blackening and throwing on the grill. To blacken these steaks, you want a very hot griddle. I'd like to thank everybody at patreon.com/clayhays who signed up to help support these videos. If you want to see more behind the scenes content and how-to videos, go and check it out. You might find something you like.
Come on, boys, dinner time. Mama just caught that last night.
I wish he'd catch 4 more.
You want to catch 4 more?
Yeah. I want to get the biggest.
The little boy will catch the biggest.
No, I can't pull the biggest in.
With 2 good-sized sharks in the freezer, we've got a great start on filling the Orion for the long trip back to Idaho. But we've still got a long way to go. Subscribe to the channel, hit that little bell icon for notifications, and follow us on Instagram to join in on our next adventure. And see if we can fill this 85 with fish and wild pig for the long trip west. We'll see you next time on Living with the Land.